we're having lunch here in Chicken Deli. Yes, Sen is tasting. This is the competition of Mang Inasal. They also have unlimited rice. Nicer, no? And we heard that Chicken Deli is more flavorful and tastier than Mang Inasal.
It's delicious.
Yeah. Look. This is 99 with unlimited rice.
Well, get 4 rice.
But it's well marinated. And this Chicken Deli is originated from Bacolod City.
This chicken is from Bacolod.
Yeah.
It was brought here in Cebu.
Yes.
Literally.
So, our food right now, it costs us 99 pesos each with unlimited rice. We'll just call on to the people to fill up our rice when we're done as much as we can. Asan na to? And also, we ordered this bok choy soup for 99 pesos.
Wow.
Oh no, 89 pesos.
It is originally from
Bacolod. Bacolod.
Iloilo areas.
Yeah.
Central Visayas, the Eastern Visayas.
Yeah, the bok choy is an original recipe of the people from Bacolod.
This is the serving spoon.
This is what you call pansit luglug in Bacolod. It's rice noodles, eggs, and the sauce of palabok. It's their version of the pansit palabok of the Luzon area. So we have the bok choy, we have the chicken. Our meal now costs us 413 pesos. Sa gawas na ta. This is Chicken Deli, a Bacolod original restaurant since 1983. So this is the competition of Mang Inasal. So you can see this 2-piece chicken barbecue with unlimited rice for 99 and only rice on all their chicken meals for 99.